Hi kids, welcome back to your own channel. So in last classes we learned about the factors and multiples. Today we are going to learn about the different numbers, what we are saying about the different numbers and why these are called like that. So before going to start, what do you have to do? Yes, quickly like and subscribe your own channel. Now, so what we are going to learn is the numbers name. Yes. So see here, even numbers. Do you know what is even number? Even numbers, a number which is multiple of 2 is called an even number. So what is multiple of 2? Why we are saying? So just learn the table of 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14 like that. So those numbers which are the multiple of 2 is called what? Even number. These are called what? Even number. Now in last class we have learned that what are the multiples and what are called the factors. If you don't know or you forgot, just quickly see that video also. Okay. Now the second one is what? It's a odd numbers. So what is odd number? A number which is not a multiple of 2 is called an odd number. So see here in even number what we said that it's coming in the 2 table. Yes, so that's why it was even number. But here what is in odd number? These number will not come in 2 table. Like see in 2 table are you getting 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13? No, we are not getting these numbers. So that's why those numbers which are not multiple of 2 is called what? Odd numbers. Clear? Now see, what are the prime numbers? Yes, so the numbers having exactly two different factors. Two different factors, that is 1 and number itself. If it's 2 then 1 and 2 itself, so it is called what? Prime number. What are the numbers? The numbers having exactly two different factors, that is 1 and number itself. So only two different factors. Yes, that is also what? 1 and second is what? Number itself is called what? Prime number. See here, for 2, 1 and 2. For 3 what? 1 and 3. For 5, 1 and 5. For 7, 1 and 7. Likewise for 11, 1 and 11, for 13, 1 and 13. So these numbers are what? They are not the multiples of any other numbers. They are the multiples of itself only and 1 only. So that's why these numbers are called what? The prime numbers, because they are what? They are number itself, or that is what we said, that number itself and 1. Now see here, what is composite numbers? So composite number is what? Composite number is the number having more than two different factors. These are known as what? Composite numbers. Okay. So what is happening here? Here the numbers are having more than two factors. How many factors? More than two different factors. Okay. In prime number what we learned, that it has only exactly two different factors. Exactly how many? Only two different factors. So that is what? 1 and number itself. But here what is in composite factors? Composite numbers, the numbers are having more than two different factors. These are known as what? Composite numbers. So for example, see factors of 6 what? It's 1, 2, 3 and 6. That means what? That means 1 into 6 equal to 6, 2 into 3 equal to 6, 3 into 2 equal to 6 and 6 into 1 equal to 6. Yes. So these are what? These are the factors of 6. Yes. So that was, these are more than 2. See 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 factors. So that's why these numbers are called what? Composite numbers. Like see, for 8 also it's 1, 2, 4 and 8. For 9 also it's 1, 3 and 9. So what we understand, that the numbers which has more than two different factors are called what? These are called composite factors or composite numbers. Now we know that what is prime number and what is composite number. So let's see, we will check that you understand or not. So this is what? 12, then 13, then 15, 19, and what we can write? 23 or 27. Yes. So let's see that these are the prime numbers or composite numbers. So what? For 12, what we will write first? 12 into 1 equal to what? 12. Then 2, 6 ja what? So for 12, what we will write? 2, 6 ja 12. 3, 4 ja 12. Okay. So how many? These are 3, 4 and 6. 2, 4, 3 and 6. So for 12, how many we got? We got factors of 12 equal to what? It's 2. It's first what we will write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes, and what? And 12 itself. Now for 13. See, for 13. Yes, so for 13 what? For 13, 13 1 ja 13. And what? 2, 3, 4. Do you have any number? No. So factors of 13 is what? 1 and 13 itself. Now second what we will do for 15. So 15 1 ja 15. Now 3 5 ja 15. Yes. So how many factors? Factors of 15 equal to what? It's 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. Now see, for 19. Yes. So for 19, how many? 19, 1 ja 19. That's it. No other table has 19. So factors of 19 equal to what? 1 and 19 itself. Now see, for 27 we will see. Okay, for 27. So 27 1 ja 27, 3 9 ja 27. So what are the factors for 27? It's factors of 27 equal to 1, then 3, then 9 and then 27 itself. Now we will see that which numbers has only two factors and which number has more than two factors. So now we understand that the numbers which has only two factors are called what? Is called prime numbers. So see here, for this 12 it's not, it's more than 2. For 13 how many? It's 1 and 2 only. So 13 has how many? 1 and 13. Only two numbers. First is 1 and second is number itself. Now in 19 case, see, 19. So it's what? 19 1 ja 19. So 1 and 19 itself. So here also. So it's what? 1 and 19. So the number 13 and 19 are what? These are the prime numbers. These are what? These are what? These are the prime numbers. We didn't take did about 23. That's why I erased this. So now here 13 and 19 is what? It's a prime number because these two have only two factors. Now see about the 12. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 2. For 27, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the numbers 12, then 15, then 27. These are what? These are composite numbers. What? These are composite numbers. Why? Because they have more than two factors. How many factors they have? They have more than two factors here. Two factors. More than how much? Two. Okay, so that's why they are called what? They are called composite numbers. Okay, and this 13 and 19. These two have only two factors, that is 1, 13, 1 and 19. That's why these are called what? These are called the these are called the prime numbers. Now we know that what are the different numbers called as, why they are called like that. Now we will learn about the factorization. What is the factorization? Okay, so what is factorization? It's a when a number is expressed as the product of its factors, it is called factorization. So as the product of its factors. So when a number is expressed, for example, we are taking like 28. Okay, so here what we will do? 7 4 ja 28. Yes. So it is what? The number is the product. This is the product of these two factors. So this is called what? Factorization. Got it? Like for example 16. So 4 4 ja 16. So 4 4 is what? The factors of this number, and this number is what? Product of these factors. So when we are writing like this, when a number is expressed as the product of its factors, so it is called what? Factorization. Now what do you know that we can write in different way also of factorization, like see for 24 what we can write is 2 into 2 into 6. See 2 2 ja 4 and 4 6 ja 24. Now we can also write it like 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Yes, so what is this? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So these are called what? These are called factorization. Now see here, in this what is happening is that we see that each factor of 24 is a prime number. What we are seeing here, that each factors of 24 is called what? These are what? These are all prime numbers. 2 is what? Prime number. 3 is also what? Prime number. Yes, in this 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So these all are what? Prime